this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use voice chat with a headset on your Nintendo Switch 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you want to use something like a basic wired headset, even like the basic one that came with like a standard iPhone, like the wired one, it's actually super simple. You just need to plug that headset directly into the headphone jack on your Nintendo Switch. And as soon as it's plugged in, open up Fortnite from your home screen and go ahead and go directly into your settings by selecting your profile picture and then hitting settings just like so. Once you're in settings, go ahead and go over to the speaker tab and scroll down a little bit and make sure that voice chat volume is turned up a little bit. And then go to the communication tab just like so and make sure voice chat is turned on and that push to talk is turned off. Honestly, this is going to be way better if you just keep it on open mic. If push to talk is enabled, your mic essentially won't activate unless you manually trigger it. So for most players, it's just better to keep open mic on. On top of that, make sure that your voice chat input device is turned on to whatever your current game mode is or whatever your current mic is, I meant. And then your voice chat output, whatever your current headset is. So usually it's standard to keep this on mic and then headset as well. I just keep mine as my HyperX mic just like so. From here, make sure you apply your settings and back out and you should see your voice chat is working. To confirm it's working though, jump into a match in the up left corner of your screen. You're going to see like a little like voice icon light up whenever you speak. That essentially means that it is working and active. But that is it. Just plug in your headset, enable voice chat, and you're ready to talk to your team. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.